Savoury pastry uses the rubbing in method, which you also find in recipes like scones or crumble topping, things like that. And it means to incorporate the butter into the flour to start with. In this particular recipe I'm adding some rosemary as well to the mix, so I'll chop it up first in the Magimix and then I'll add the flour. Now you could do this by hand, by rubbing in the flour into the butter using your fingertips to do it quite quickly, or you can use 2 knives, but the fastest way is to do it with a mixer. But as I say, if you haven't got one, it's easy enough to do by hand. The important thing is that the butter and the flour get incorporated well, cut together well. It's important that the butter is cold and the flour is cold, and it really doesn't matter actually how far you mix this. You won't overwork it in the initial phase. The main thing is that you get nice smooth breadcrumb consistency, it's often referred to. Okay, and at that point you can put the eggs in. Now often we say that eggs have to go into a recipe slowly. In this case we can put all of the eggs in, or liquid. It might be cream, it might be milk, but this is the point where we pulse it. We really can't overwork it from here on in. Okay, so the eggs go in, we carefully mix the eggs into the dries. I'm blending it just to the point where it comes together as a dough. I'll scrape it out and gently knead it a little bit further on the bench. But again, the key thing is not to overwork pastry. It's often where people go wrong. So I've taken it out of the machine. I'm going to give it a gentle knead. Again, it's not like kneading bread where you're trying to develop the gluten to give it structure. We're trying to just bring it together into a nice smooth ball without developing the gluten, so the pastry stays nice and short and with a nice light texture. Okay, once it's come together, roll it in some flour, wrap it in some cling film, and again it's really important that it gets at least half an hour to chill down before we roll it out and use it.